Using my new Laneige Sweet Candy Lip Sleeping Mask. If you guys have this, I hope you don't only use it when you sleep, because I literally apply this stuff all day long. I like the sweet candy flavor too. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a new vlog. Hope you guys are doing okay. Everything has been going pretty smooth over here. Just enjoying my coffee. I did my nails just like a super neutral pink color. This is to hold me over until next week when I do them again. You guys, you probably see different clips. My nails are always different colors. It's because I literally do my nails like once a week. I wanted to come on and intro this vlog. This is gonna be a weekend in my life vlog. My final Amazon order came in from Prime Day sale, so we're gonna do a little haul. We got some more tennis in this vlog. I hope you guys are enjoying the tennis content. And then lastly, a nice Sunday dinner will be in this vlog. So let's get right into this Amazon haul. Friends, it's much later in the day. We got some more Amazon packages. So I want to show you guys what we got. This is the last of all of our Prime Day purchases. I bought a new frother. This one has like a little stand. I had a frother, but it kind of like died on me low key, and it didn't have the stand, so storing it was kind of annoying, but this one had really good reviews and it was definitely on sale. I got another pack of lashes. This one was like $4 for 14 pairs, and this is more of like a natural style. The other ones I got were really long and super full. These ones are more like an everyday wispy pair. So really pretty. I love kind of having like this big stockpile of lashes because you just go through them so fast. Next thing, the big old box. So we, over the summer, got new carry-on suitcases from Base. And it was definitely an investment, but I knew I wanted to get like a checked size as well, but they're so expensive. So for Prime Day, they were having a sale on luggage. So it's not Base, but it is still a really good brand, and the reviews are really good. Can you pull the box out? This is what we got. It's Samsonite. It is a roller 28-inch spinner suitcase. So I love the color. It has the locks on it. So what do you think, babe?
Nice. Love the color. Love the design on here. They got it wrapped up. I saw that one. It's nice. Looks adorable.
Yeah, it does look pretty good. Good
Got the
quality.
locks on it.
Yeah.
It looks nice. Nice size too.
I think this was normally like over $300, so we got a really good deal on it. But we are going on a trip in a couple weeks, and we were going to need a bigger checked size. Since we're going for a week, we wanted to have a bigger suitcase to take with us in addition to our carry-on suitcases. So I think this is going to be a great, good lasting, durable suitcase. So that is pretty much everything that we got for Prime Day. I'm honestly really happy with our purchases. I'm most excited for the security systems that we got. I think my husband's going to put those together tomorrow. We're going to try to get them installed, and of course a suitcase. So yeah, pretty happy with everything that we got. Buenos dias, good morning. Out here bright and early. I love a empty court. Getting ready to play some tennis. fans, we just got home from our day. We stopped at Costco. We just got a couple things from Costco. I'm like into croissants right now, so I got a pack of these. We got some chuck roast. This was the actual reason that I went to Costco. So I got some chuck roast and then just a couple seasonings, garlic powder, black pepper, and sea salt. So I really like to get these ones from Costco because I use them the most, and it's good to have just like a big thing. So I'm about to put this pot roast in the crock pot. So let's get everything ready. Time.
It is time.
We're installing the Blink doorbell camera.
I'm just thinking about putting it right here.
Yeah. We're all set up. Pull your phone, babe. Let's test it out. There we are.
Here we are.
Oh my god. Oh my. You blew it.
Can't stop it. Well, you should stay in house if you can. Coach Carroll's dragging his headset onto the field. He's not real happy about this one. See a great defensive coach who's having a great.
I forgot to record. I already started eating, but it's so good. Mashed potatoes, roast with carrots and onions, and asparagus.
Guessing that Nash?
Hi friends, me again, just coming on to wrap up the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed this weekend in my life. I am editing this vlog now. I'm trying to do 2 vlogs a week. I got a little bit behind on my editing with some traveling that I had last month, so I'm hoping that we stay on this at least once a week, hopefully twice a week with the vlog. So if you guys are enjoying it, please don't forget to subscribe down below to my channel. I will have more vlogs coming soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.